Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're tackling the industry's biggest question: will AI actually replace software engineers?
Everyone's reading the headlines and panicking. But hey, we're cutting through that hype with actual hard data.
Before diving in, please hit subscribe on my Substack. You'll find the link right down in the description.
Let's look at a recent Metro study. Developers assumed AI tools would make their coding significantly faster.
They predicted a 24% speed boost. And honestly, after finishing the tasks, they still felt faster.
The reality? They were actually 19% slower. That's a massive 40-point gap in perception. Wild, right?
As researchers noted, you remember the quick jackpots. You forget the agonizing hours spent debugging AI hallucinations.
Yet, executives are reacting to this hype. In early 2026, nearly 80,000 tech workers were laid off.
Half of those cuts were explicitly blamed on AI. But a Harvard survey reveals a much darker truth. Over 600 executives admitted they cut staff based strictly on what AI might theoretically do someday.
Take Klarna, for example. They famously replaced 700 human roles with AI between 2022 and 2024. Customer satisfaction absolutely plummeted. Users were stuck getting generic, repetitive responses for highly complex, sensitive problems. So by 2025, they started rehiring. AI easily handles volume, but humans are absolutely necessary for complexity. And they aren't alone. Forrester reports that 55% of companies already regret their AI-driven layoffs.
In fact, Gartner projects half of all companies that cut jobs for AI will rehire by 2027.
So here's the crucial takeaway. Engineering teams are definitely getting smaller, but the role itself isn't dying.
Coding itself is faster now, but deciding exactly what to build and why is the new bottleneck.
AI levels the playing field for basic tasks, but it completely lacks essential business context.
AI has no clue about your team's history, architectural trade-offs, or what actually breaks at 2 a.m. The single most valuable thing you bring is context. Engineers who understand the full picture will thrive.
Sure, companies are reducing overall headcount, but they are not eliminating the software engineering industry itself. No way.
The vital, high-level work remains distinctly human. Will you guide the AI or just clean up its mess?
Want more sanity-checking insights like this explainer? Go subscribe to my Substack. Link is in the description.